Alright, I've got something fun for you guys today. It was taken by a couple of friends, one of them being Big Rich, who was the kayaker who helped with the capsized kayaker in my other video. And I'm also going to leave a link for the underoos that you're going to need after watching this video.
She went deep. Oh my god, he's gonna hit me.
No, I got some out of here. Look at this thing.
Oh, holy crap. Holy mackerel, that guy's so big. Where you go? You come to play with me? Little longer than my boat. What a white mouth, it just scoop up to eat. Where'd it go? You want something to eat? You want some sardine?
No, no.
That's why the mouth always open.
Yeah. That was freaking cool.
That make my day.
I should have both back and come around this side of it.